This is Vamshi Krishna from Hyderabad. With my amazing experience and long working knowledge, I make you to learn the best Flair bartending. I have worked with a few luxury bar brands across India. Then I turned into a Flair instructor. Pick up the thing and grab straight. 1, 2 and 1, 2. This is called pourer and this is called stopper. You all learn what is Flair bartending, its history, types of Flair moves, how to become a pro in Flair, types of competitions, types of opportunities and earnings. Upgrade and master your Flair skills. Join our amazing Flair Bartending Masterclass by downloading Hospitality Gurukul app. This is Vamshi Krishna, your Flair Bartending Master Trainer.